guys, right now you are looking at the Crayola sign. You guys are probably wondering, what is this? What is this? Probably no one's wondering that, but still. We are going to check out today this modeling dough bakery shop. Pretty cool. This is a little box is a little scratched up. Got it from Target. So we are going to make our own cakes and sweets. So here's a little color blending chart so you can mix the dough together because it only comes with 2 colors. So you can do red and white equals pink. You can do that. I don't see how they... Okay, let's just take a look at this. I gotta get some scissors. Okay. Cut it open. Okay, I got it out. Ooh, there's stuff inside. Let's take a look. So here's our little molder, and it says happy birthday. So we can make like little happy birthday cakes, and then when they dry, you can give them to someone for their birthday. Oh, that's sweet. So it has a bunch of different molds. I don't think they pick up that good on camera. There's a little bow, a little rose. There's a bunch of things. Super cute. Let's take the rookie. I think this is like a smoother to like smooth out the cake. Bunch of questions. And maybe like the end you can poke holes with or something. And here is the Play-Doh, which looks kind of like smushed up. Oh, I can't get it open. Okay, I got it open. The Play-Doh looks kind of smushed up. Okay, the Play-Doh. Oh, this isn't really Play-Doh. This is Crayola dough. It's kind of like, you know, yucky. It's like kind of hard, but I think we can work with it. And then there's, of course, a little mold at the top. It's a little fishy. So this is white dough. Cool. Let's check out another thing. Oh, we can make like waffle cones or like waffles. Oh my gosh, and then there's even molds on the inside. Okay, I'm definitely going to be using this tool a lot. What else do we have in here? Ooh, we got our red dough. Let's feel the red. Maybe it's whoa, a little bit better. Ooh, the red is almost dried out. And the mold has a phone. Strange. Here's a circle shape, like cookie cutter thing. A heart cookie cutter. A pie shaped cookie cutter. A Play-Doh knife. And the box is now empty. So let's check this out and try to make a food or something delicious. Whoa, okay, that was crazy. Okay, so let's get our white dough out. And of course, if this dough doesn't work, you can always use your own dough. So yeah, I get a decent amount, and I guess I can like flatten it out, and then oh yeah, and then I could use this little tool to like cut the little like crease thing. So let's try that. Okay, I'm cutting out the extra things. Making it nice and smooth. So the Play-Doh, the other like cutter thing and make it all perfect. And now what we have to do is close it up. Maybe use a little tool to like bang on it and open it. Oh, it kind of worked. We kind of got the waffle shape. Let's get rid of all the extra stuff. Oh, the other side. Oh, that's cool. I like it. And I have the waffle shape. Now what we can do is take one of these little things and maybe add some stuff like, ooh, we can add a little bow maybe. Let's try and use this dry red. Oh yeah, this red is not going good. Oh, whatever, we'll make it work. So take the bow. No, won't even work because it's so dry. Oh, no. Oh, well, I kind of got the bow shape little, so we can take that, put it on our waffle, and there's my waffle, like, treat. It's not too good, but, I mean, better than nothing. This dough is terrible. So, bye-bye dough. We are going to use some Play-Doh. I just bought some Play-Doh from Target. Yes, Play-Doh from Target. So we're going to open it up for the first time. I got this dough and this dough. So we're going to use this. So let's take it out. Ooh, this is nice. Yeah, this dough will probably work a little bit better. Yeah, this is good dough. Yes, I love it. Let's make a little heart shape, I guess, would be cute. Heart, 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 hearty, hearty, heart, 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 heart. There we go. And okay. This set from Crayola doesn't work at all. The shapes are not terrible. The dough they give you is hard. No. Well, since this part was a fail and it caused me a complete disaster. Just look at this. When I was recording, this is what happened. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's what happened. My reaction was quite strange. So I decided that if I can't have that, just kidding. If that won't work, or something, then I'll show you some satisfying slime. So, you guys, I have a lot of slime. But I picked out this special one here for you guys. Let's check it out. It has little sprinkles in them too. Just listen. I loved the slime that I was playing with at the time. I'm crazy. Super duper awesome, 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 awesome slime. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.